Welcome to Kush's Kitchen. Today you're going to learn how to make a Parsi Akoori. You will need 1 small onion, half a tomato, 1 to 2 chilies depending on how spicy you like it, and about 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Our secret ingredient is butter, 1/8 cup of butter and 3 eggs. No Parsi household begins without an amazing breakfast, and Akoori is our specialty. Let's go. So the magic begins. Add your onions. You're going to stir fry them until they're lovely golden brown. Once your onions are lovely golden brown, add your tomato. Stir it up in there. And now, if like me, you're into spice, add your chili. And you're going to let it cook up for a good 2 minutes. That is a lovely soft texture, goldeny brown. You add a little bit of cilantro for taste. Sprinkle some on. And now we're ready for the main ingredient. Fluffed up and ready to be scrambled. Now one is ready to dig in to a delicious Akoori on Brun. Yum!